What are you doing, baby?
Making a peanut butter sandwich.
For who?
For my dad.
Oh yeah?
Take a picture of these.
I'm taking a video. What?
They don't take a picture of me and the peanut butter jelly sandwich and the jelly.
I was taking a video so we could watch you make it. You making Daddy dinner before he goes to school?
What?
You making Daddy dinner before he goes to school?
Yep.
Yep. Can we see your sandwiches? Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. You did a really good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mommy's so proud of you.